way done by a group of UOG students, and a little bit later on we're gonna have the band Monkey Nut up on stage to play while we all help clean up. If you guys could, whoever can, stay behind and help to clean up.
Monkey Nut!
They've got at least one fan, that's for sure.
So, as we blow out our candles, let's remember that the fire doesn't stop here, and we're all here for a reason. And when we leave this place, we'll take the fire with us and keep it burning and spread it to other people. Let's just thank I'd like to thank everyone for being here with each other, and Viva! Viva! Okay, we can blow them out now. Make a wish.